Alright, welding out this back stud. Step one, right, as you can see, I got it all cleaned up in there, nice and pretty. Alright, step two, everybody can see, I got a nice nipple welded up on that broken stud. Alright, step three, as everybody can see, got a bolt welded onto that stud. Yeah, I got a little booger right there, it'll come right off. Now, I'll let it cool off, and we'll see if we can turn it out. One of the keys I found is just don't go after it while it's cherry red and hot. Give it 30 seconds, cool down a little bit, and then go after it. Alright, it's been about 30 seconds, and we'll give her a... Oh, there she goes. Everybody can see. It'll focus. You can see all the stuff flying out, so I know it's not my weld breaking. Right? And she's loosey-goosey. And I usually go with this actually with a wrench, not a socket. And I can have a little bit more feel on how it's turning out. And you know, the back and forth, because you know, your weld isn't going to be perfect. And it might be a little bit bigger than the edge of the aluminum, so you got to kind of walk it a little bit back and forth. But I'll get it out of there and I'll show you the finish. Here we go. Here's our finished product. That's it. Shave it back down and throw it back in there, right? That's just how I weld those out of there. One of the many methods. Happy Tuesday, everybody.